Hello, let's take this question. Question 41, NECO November December 2025 objective. I have solved the equation sin 5x equals cos 3x plus 2 for I've been given a range of value which is s is greater than 0 and x is less than 90 degree. That means we've been told that this value is from 0 degree and it is less than 90 degree. Solution. So we have sin 5x is equals to cos 3x plus 2. Now, to solve this, we are going to make use of this trigonometry identity where we have that sine theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. This trigonometry identity. So, if sine theta equals cos 90 minus theta, that means sine 5x is going to be cos 90 minus 5x. So we have this now. So now we have sin 5x equals cos 90 minus 5x. Return back to the equation given. So that means we can replace our sin 5x with cos 90 minus 5x. So we have back to the equation that have been given. We have sin 5x is equals to cos 3x plus 2. This is the equation given. Then from the trigonometry identity, we are able to establish this sin 5x equals cos 90 minus 5x. So we are saying that sin 5x is equals to this. So we are going to replace sin 5x with this. So we have cos 90 minus 5x equals cos 3x plus 2. We have this. So now here we have cos on both sides. Cos will cancel out cos. So we are left with 90 minus 5x is equals 3x plus 2. Here now we collect like terms here. So we have 90 minus 2. When plus 2 comes to this side, becomes a minus 2. When plus 5x comes to this side, becomes a plus 5x. So we have 3x plus 5x. 90 minus 2, that is 88, equals 3x plus 5x. We have 8x. Here we have 8x is equals to 88. We need to get our x, so we divide both sides by 8. So we have 8x over 8 equals 88 over 8. 8 to cancel it here, we have x. 88 divided by 8, we have 11. So the value of x is 11 degree. So the correct answer here is option D. Surely.